All right. Hi, my name is Amy Black. I work at Faxon Academy. I teach kindergarten and first grade. Um, Mr. Peace coming in was huge and impacted a lot of my kids along with myself. I was severely bullied as a kid starting 20 years ago in second grade. My mom was in a car accident and she ended up in a back brace, and she was called everything from RoboCop to different to weird, and it had a lasting impact on me. And I stutter as well. And I remember back in fifth grade, I was actually sent to the school psychologist thinking that I was going to hurt myself because I was being bullied so severely throughout my schooling. And just seeing the presentation today really impacted me, seeing like I wasn't weird, that I am that miracle to be that light for somebody else. And I know that some of my kids, I could see on their faces that it really hit them. And then we went back to talk about the whole presentation afterwards, and I had one of my kids say that he wasn't going to act out anymore because he knows that he can be the one to help somebody else in the future. I highly recommend him coming into schools. He was wonderful. He was very relatable to the kids, and we would love to have you back coming from a teacher perspective.